SolidWorks training.
Basic fundamental drawing.
How has your experience been during the first 2 days of the SolidWorks training workshop?
Honestly, it was really fun and interesting since this is the first time I am really immersed sa SolidWorks training.
Before attending this training, what was your level of knowledge in SolidWorks? And how has it changed after the first 2 days?
Wala jud ko knowledge dyan. Basic ra jud ako ang tun-an sa SolidWorks. Mga like kanang basic fundamentals lang kaya akong knowledge. Sa ra punto namo na learning sa ABE 120.
After completing the 4-day SolidWorks training workshop, what are the most valuable knowledge and skills you've gained in areas such as 3D modeling, 2D drawing, 3D animation, and simulation?
So the 4-day SolidWorks training workshop strengthened my skills in creating accurate 3D parts and assemblies, producing a detailed 2D drawings or engineering drawings, developing animations to demonstrate machine movement and assembly procedures, and conducting basic simulations to evaluate design performance. I also learned how to organize the design process more efficiently, from developing an initial concept to preparing a model that can be fabricated and tested.
What part of the training did you enjoy the most?
I enjoyed the most the part na nag-build og mga parts sa machines and then sa assembly pod.
So, which topic did you find most relevant to your field or teaching responsibilities?
The topic most relevant to my teaching responsibilities was 3D modeling simulation. So these tools are particularly useful in agricultural and biosystems engineering because they allow students, or the software allows students to visualize, analyze, and improve agricultural machinery, processing equipment, and other engineering systems before actual fabrication.
What is the most valuable skills or concept you've learned so far from the 3D modeling, 2D drawing, and 3D animation sessions?
I think the most interesting part and also the very enjoyable part is sa assembly sa mga parts sa machines, and also the one na nag-involve og drawing and then nag-involve og mga different views sa machines na gi-build sa mga parts.
How has this training changed or enhanced your perspective on using SolidWorks in instruction, research, or engineering design?
The training enhanced my perspective on SolidWorks as more than a drafting and modeling application. So it can serve as an integrated platform for instruction, research, product development, and engineering analysis. So through SolidWorks, design concepts can be visualized, communicated, and tested and refined digitally, helping to reduce design errors, material waste, development time, and fabrication costs.
Can you share a specific way you plan to integrate what you've learned into your classes, research projects, or extension activities?
I plan to integrate the skills I acquired into a laboratory activities involving machine design, engineering drawing, and product development. Students may be required to create 3D models and assemblies, prepare fabrication drawings, and perform basic simulations before constructing their own prototypes. I also intend to use SolidWorks in research and extension projects involving the development and improvement of agricultural machineries and food processing equipment, such as, for example, in our project, the cacao processing and sorting technologies.
What aspect of the training had the greatest impact on you and why?
The greatest impact on me was the opportunity to transform a design concept into a complete digital model and evaluate its performance through simulations. So this process demonstrated how digital design tools can support better engineering decisions before resources are committed to actual fabrication.
How do you think you can apply these skills in your academic projects or future career?
SolidWorks software is really important, especially sa kanang mga thesis na nag-involve og machines, simulations ana, and then sa mga thesis pod na nag-require og building machines and then analysis sa iyang mga parts.
Would you recommend the SolidWorks training workshop to other students? Why?
Yes, because it is very important yun nga kuan nga skills kay SolidWorks kay pang international skills na siya, so it is very important yun labi na ay magamit sa work, sa trabaho o sa mga engineering applications.
If you could describe this training in one sentence, what would you say?
In one sentence, if I could describe this training is very important and to students.
Overall, how would you describe your experience throughout the 4-day workshop? And what message would you like to share with other faculty members or professionals who are considering attending this training?
Okay. Overall, the 4-day workshop was very productive, engaging, and highly relevant to my professional responsibilities. The combinations of lectures, demonstrations, and hands-on activities allow me to understand both the fundamental and advanced applications of SolidWorks. The workshop also provide an opportunity to exchange ideas and experiences with fellow faculty members and engineering professionals.